iCOOL and iWARM, the invisible air conditioners without external unit. Exclusive and elegant. iCOOL and iWARM are particularly suited to hotels, apartment complexes, and properties in historical centers. Designed down to the last detail. Multifunctional display. You do not need to be a qualified climate technician to install these units. Such is their ease of installation. The flexible grille for ease of installation from the inside. Only 2 holes, 200 millimeters wide, need to be drilled for installation. There are different types of external grille. The invisible grille that opens with the flow of air. iCOOL and iWARM are the air conditioners without external units, designed to ensure simple installation and the ultimate in comfort. iCOOL and iWARM, the invisible air conditioners engineered for comfort.